This pygmy elephant calf is in serious danger as it tries to cross Borneo's Kinabagan River. Pygmy elephants are the smallest elephants in the world, but they can still weigh up to 6,000 pounds. When the river swells during monsoon season, it can be really difficult to cross, especially for the young and inexperienced. This calf is definitely in trouble. His mother is using her body to shield him from the current, but she has to get him out before he drowns. Her trunk is made up of 150,000 muscle segments, but even that is not strong enough to push him out. Instead, she uses it to probe around for a way out. Luckily, she found a log that her calf can use. Out of the way, the mother and calf reunite with their herd. Reunited, and it feels so good.